talking to a managing director. It looks like I'm talking to a seeker. मेरे को सीखना है, मेरे को करना है.
I can guarantee you that in terms of professional journey, the day you find I haven't learned anything today, that day as a professional you're dead. There's I think a famous dialogue from in one of the Shah Rukh Khan films when अगर आप शिद्दत से चाहो तो कायनात भी.
कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
Hello and welcome to CPA's Unplugged, India GCC series. Where we celebrate Indian leaders who've been change makers, who've built the ecosystem for public accounting GCCs in India. And on the show today, we've got Shrenik Shah, Managing Director of Armanino in India.
Basically, I'm a chartered accountant. I'm a passionate leader after more than 20 years of experience in this industry. And on personal life, I'm a religious person, very fearful of doing something wrong.
CA किया, CA के पहले ही सोच लिया, फाइनल के पहले मेरे को CPA करना है, and then CPA किया. For those who don't do CA or drop out of CA, how do you see that switch happening?
20 years ago, I did my CPA. I was very clear this is going to add value to my profession. So if somebody's starting their career now, I think CPA will become almost like a foundation degree. My uncle was a big influence in my life because he's a chartered accountant and I wanted to take commerce line at that time.
और वहाँ बोलते होंगे साइंस लो,
Science,
इंजीनियर
yes,
बनो.
absolutely.
मेरे साथ exactly same. My dad wanted me to become an engineer.
मैं इंजीनियर नहीं बनना चाहता.
अरे कमाओगे कितना उस जंगल में?
You have a very large fan club. So Rohan, one of my colleagues in the US, he met Matt Armanino at a conference, and Matt had great things to say about you. He was like a big fan of yours. What is your message to Matt?
So Matt is one of the greatest leaders I've ever met, and I'm saying it very genuinely. Like he is one of the leaders who cares for his people.
How long were you in the US? What else did you learn?
There's a famous saying from Kennedy that don't ask what the country can.
What your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country.
If somebody applies to, वो पूछेगा कि यार compensation कितना है, insurance कितना है, benefits कितने हैं. They will not ask कि आप learning क्या देते हो, how I can be impactful on the firm. Nobody asks this question. Very few people ask. So that is what determines what is your long run objective and how far you will go.
In those 10 minutes, there were 350 people in the room, right? And you told 350 people at Citron Cooperman, and you went and pitched, we can have an extended office in India.
I started my conversation with what problem today the accounting industry is facing. That's the number one is talent. They don't know CA. So I explained what is a CA, how difficult it is to pass.
What difficult?
I had a map of India because people should know what is India. In your pocket, you have a note of 500 rupees which has 15 different languages written in that. That is a diversity. They don't understand because they have one or two languages. India itself has diversity what other 50 countries might have. No assumptions. You have to let them know that people in India speak on an average 3 to 4 languages. English being one of them. And very fluently. You have to explain like what an Indian accountant is capable of. And trust me, as you said right, like when you're presenting something like this, you're almost presenting your country. And today India is, as you know, like is the highest English speaking people. So that really went well and I got a standing ovation. Even today people remember that.
Wow. I feel so proud of you. What was the guess estimate कि भाई इंडिया में मैं कितने jobs ला सकता हूँ?
We went into the office with 80 people and then we extended to 100. और 100 का भी एक जर्नी है कि 100 जब टच करने को आते थे कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता, people will leave and all that. I could not sleep when I saw the results. I said, oh God.